everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, hello, my name is Andrea and I do hope you stick around. So as you probably already seen from the title of this video, today I will be unboxing Punkrave Australia's Gothic Witch double layer sleeve dress. Once I saw this dress, it was absolutely love at first sight. Just because of the dramatic sleeves. I'm sure you're already bored of me saying that, but I do love long dramatic sleeves. And it also has a corset detailing in the front. It's made out of velvet. What more can a girl wish for? Instead of me going on and on about it, let's just have a look at what this dress looks like on Punkrave Australia's website. So this is the glorious dress I'm talking about. Isn't it wonderful? I was so in love with it. It's available in 3 sizes as shown here, but if you're not sure what your size is, please measure yourself and access the universal size chart under the FAQ section and then click on the where do I find your size chart option. I got this in a size FXS to FS, and that's my size for all Punkrave dresses. I've never had one that did not fit, so please follow this size chart to figure out your size. The dress arrived fairly quickly, and that is always a plus given the distance. Bear in mind that if you live in Europe like I do, customs do apply to your order and you have to pay that to your country's post office. I'm not sure if it's the same for every country. It has been for me. If at any point you encounter issues, please contact customer service because they are so wonderful to talk to and very helpful too. And the awesome thing is that they can also help you with your sizes if you're not sure what size you should get. So that's pretty good. Okay, so let's move on to the unboxing part. This is the package. It came in this paper bag, but as you open that one up, you also get one of these. And I just went ahead as always and opened up the top part so I can have a look and see what is in here. And there we have it. That is the bubble wrap dress in there. And I cannot wait to open it up. Let's go. Let's see. I'm so excited. This is a wonderful dress. I'll be adding to my wardrobe. I did it. I'm saying it like it's some sort of accomplishment, but anyway. And there we have one more bag. I know this is a lot of plastic, but I always recycle these. So this is the Punkrave bag. As I was saying, apart from recycling the plastic pieces, I always keep the Punkrave bags, the one that have a ziplock over here, because they are perfect for storing. I store shoes in them, I store bags, just for them not to get dusty and stuff. So I always keep these bags and store different stuff in them because yeah, I think they're very awesome. So here is the bag and let's open it up. Oh my god! It's velvet! Oh my god, there's so much velvet. Look at this. Oh, I don't want to get makeup on it, but let's take it out of the bag. I'm just gonna take out the tag so I can see the wonderful design. There we go. So this is the front of the dress. How beautiful is that? It has the mesh part over here and then it continues with this wonderful lacing. Oh my god, it's so wonderful. You guys, this is so beautiful. Check out the detailing on the sleeve. Oh my god. The dress is made out of an elastic type of velvet with mesh details around the décolletage and arms. The thing I love most is the corset-like crisscross lacing in the front and the knot detail. It's referred to as a Chinese palace knot on the website and it's such a gorgeous detail. As expected, the flared sleeves are to die for and I will never get tired of dresses like this. The back of the dress is also interesting. It features a hidden zipper and more lacing. I don't know if you can see it. The thing I love the most, of course, is the sleeve because it has these cutouts over here and you can actually see the mesh. So this is the mesh sleeve and then you have this velvet one on top of it. So that is why it's called a double sleeve dress. The thing I also noticed is that the dress is quite heavy, and I think that's because of the velvet, because velvet is quite a heavy fabric and I love that so much. I love heavy dresses just because they are more on the luxury side. When you get a piece of clothing and it's very light and flimsy, it doesn't sound like quality, you know? I don't know, maybe this is just me, but I think that heavy clothing speak more on the luxury side of things. So that's why I love Punk Rave so much, because their clothing compared to other alternative clothing is so much better quality wise, and I appreciate that so much. The dress is so wonderful and I think I'm gonna wear it with the Punk Rave cloak that I reviewed in my last video. I'm just gonna link it up here. I'm gonna style it up and try it on, and I'm gonna take you with me so we can all see what it looks like. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, check out some other videos, maybe you like them too, and also subscribe to my channel if you like them. A big thank you goes out to Punk Rave Australia for sending over this wonderful dress. I really love their clothing and they fit my style so well, and quality wise they are absolutely amazing. I wouldn't be saying this if I didn't believe it myself and I wouldn't wear the clothing, but I really do adore it and really recommend you checking them out too. Thank you for watching guys, see you all in my next video. Bye. Am I orange? Heavy fabric. Something got in my eye. I hate this so much. Get out of there. Ow. Oh, okay. I wouldn't be really, because I really love